for Windows because I never meant for.
Now, the system imagine this. The real person is this.
Oh, right.
Not bad. For 6 seconds, it got the age right, it got the gender right, it got the race right, it got some features also. I didn't know actually, I can imagine so much about a person in 6 seconds. This is how it imagined Daniel Craig, the
There'll
James
be
Bond.
someone after me, so there'll be someone after them again. So there'll be someone after me.
That's it. So, this, listening to this, it imagined Daniel Craig to look like this. I mean, it did a better job than me, honestly. Right? So, how did they even build something as creepy as this? How did they build? Well, now you know, it's not actually very difficult. They took a audio encoder into which they gave the audio. Output is very well represented audio. A consolidator that converted very well represented audio data into very well represented image data. Audio to image consolidator. And then image decoder. Now they went to YouTube, got 6 million videos downloaded. And now million videos. From each video, randomly they took 6 seconds of audio, and during that 6 second span, one random image. So the input is the audio, output is that image. Million videos, they just trained this system. You have this result. And all these images that it found are not part of those videos. It's new images it created like this. Right. So it's as, see, I will show you a bit of unrelated video, nothing to